Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how we can make Minecraft in Infinity Craft. First up, we can add a fire and then add a water. Then we have this team. Now we can add another fire and we get engine. Now we can add another element, which is earth. And then we can add fire. We have lava and then we can add water. We have stone and then we can add wind. We have sand. We can plus the engine and sand. We have sandbox. Now we can add another earth, add element. Now we can add a wind. We have the dust. Now we can add earth. We have the planet. Now we can combine this one and we can create Minecraft. There you go. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.